Reasons why your car battery won't hold a charge. When you turn the key in your automobile and nothing happens, it is a horrible experience. You are aware that the battery was fully charged the last time you drove the vehicle, but it's now entirely dead. There are numerous reasons why a car battery might not hold a charge. Let's find out. Number 1. Corroded battery connections. The electrolytes from the battery can cause corrosion on the connections to the battery cables, preventing them from reaching a full charge. This can result in the battery not holding a charge for long while driving. Corrosion on the battery cables is indicated by the presence of blue, white, or green-tinged substances on the battery terminals, cables, or posts. Number 2. Battery not recharging as you drive. Your car's battery recharges while you drive, but if there are any connection or mechanical issues, the recharging process may not occur, leading to a quick battery drain. It's important to have the battery checked during routine maintenance to diagnose any issues before they become bigger problems. Number 3. The battery is old or past expiration date. If your car battery reaches the end of its service life, it may not hold a charge for long. Typically, a battery will serve you for 3 to 5 years. You can easily identify an old battery visually when corrosion returns just a few months after cleaning. When this happens, it is necessary to take your vehicle in for a full-service car battery replacement. Number 4. Faulty alternator. The alternator can fail due to usage or age, and premature failure may occur if fluid leaks onto the component. Signs of a faulty alternator include the smell of burning rubber, whining or growling sounds, and illuminated battery warning lights. If you have found this video to be interesting, just a friendly reminder to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let's continue with the video. Number 5. Parasitic draw on charge. A parasitic draw occurs when the battery continues to drain while the car is not running. This can be caused by faulty components in the car drawing the charge even when the engine is off, or it could be as simple as an interior light being left on for an extended period. Number 6. Overcharging, undercharging, or allowing deep discharge. Overcharging can lead to overheating and breakdown of your car battery, which can occur from charging too frequently or for extended periods. Insufficient charging can cause the lead plates to sulfate, reducing the surface area for necessary chemical reactions. Additionally, deep charging can lead to complete discharge before recharging, potentially damaging the battery and reducing its power holding capacity. Number 7. Extreme temperatures. Extreme temperatures, whether hot or freezing, can have a significant impact on battery performance. In hot weather, the water in the battery can evaporate, reducing its efficiency. In extremely cold conditions, the battery may struggle to produce enough charge. It's important to pay extra attention to the battery's cold cranking amps (CCA) rating when living in an area with extreme weather conditions. Number 8. Blown or defective fuse. An overloaded battery can cause a fuse to blow due to excessive current flowing through the circuit. Common signs of a defective or blown fuse include minor electrical issues such as malfunctioning interior backup lights. Refer to your car manual to locate and replace the blown fuse, or seek assistance from a mechanic. If this video was very informative, go hit the subscribe button right now and I'll see you in the next video.